In this tutorial, we will see that how you can enable anonymous posting on Facebook in just few easy steps. So let's dive right in. For the first step, open Facebook from your home page. Click on that profile icon that's showing right bottom side. And from this menu, you will see here groups option. Click to open it. And now you need to open the specific group where you want to change the settings of anonymous posting. So simply drag this bar to left side to see this manage option. Here it is. It will show you the list of all of your groups. Click to open your group and then click on that manage icon. In this manage group tab, scroll it down until you find this group settings. Open it. Here you need to turn on some of settings from here. Firstly, in this participation option, open this participant approval. You need to turn it off like me. For second settings, open this post approval and turn it off also. Then for the last settings, you will see here anonymous participation. Click on it and simply turn on from here. This setting will help anonymous participants, members to post, comment and react in the group without sharing their name and profile photo. And that's it. So that's how you can enable anonymous posting on Facebook in just few easy steps.